Today I'll be unboxing and showing you this beautiful heart and rose necklace. It does say I love you, but first and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and take a look. This product comes with a variety of items. It comes with a nice gold envelope. Check it out. It says best wishes, and you could go ahead and personalize the card inside. I do like that that was included, especially if you're gifting this to someone. This is always great because you could go ahead and add your special touch to a beautiful gift. Also included is a little gift bag, so you could go ahead and place the necklace inside of here. So I do like that that was also included. You also get a variety of items. You get a cleaning cloth to go ahead and clean the necklace. You get this Moissanite report. So this gives you the certificate of authenticity. Gives you a little bit on how to wear the product and how to care for the product. A little bag to go ahead and place the product in here. Now let's take a look at the necklace. As you can see, it comes in a very nice box already, but once you open it, take a look. Inside the box, it does say, I love you forever. Then now let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Check out the detail. So let's go ahead and open it up. So as you can see, the necklace comes in its own little box. Let's go ahead and open it and take a look. Such a beautiful necklace. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the package. So it's a thin, delicate chain link necklace. In the back here, it does have a lobster clasp and it has a little heart. Check out the necklace, so nice. It has a little rose right here, the little moissanite jewel in the front. And then in the back here, it is very small, but it does say I love you. So let's go ahead and try it on. There you go. This necklace is so beautiful. I absolutely love the thin chain on it. And it is so nice and delicate. To give you a close-up, but check it out. Such a beautiful necklace. Definitely a great gift option or for yourself. But overall, if you're looking for a great moissanite necklace with a flower, a heart, just expresses your love, I would definitely recommend.